हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। हम लोग अभी 2008 के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन का सेकेंड पार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। आई एम मीनू, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड वी आर गोना टू डू इट हेयर its analysis and solution of the previous year question of 2008. So we have forget in the first part these four questions. So we will do these first, then we will start from the question number 51. Okay. So let's see the question number 27. About 70% of total global carbon is found in grasslands, agroecosystems, oceans, forests. So, what would be the correct answer? So, about 70% of the total global carbon is found in the oceans. Okay. The atmosphere is the source of carbon dioxide, which is utilized by plant in photosynthesis, reduced to form carbon compounds. The total mass of carbon currently in the atmosphere is about 7 into 10 to the power 17 million tons. So, ocean regulate the carbon dioxide content in the atmosphere, thus play a very important role. Seawater contains 50 times more carbon dioxide than air. About 70% of total global carbon is found in the ocean. This is in the form of carbonates and bicarbonates. Which one of the following is heterosporous? Dipteris, Salvinia, Adiantum, Equisetum. So Salvinia is the heterosporous. Okay. Dry indehiscence, single-seeded fruit formed from bicarpellary syncarpus. Inferior ovary is Caryopsis, Crepsella, berry, Cremocarp. So tell me answer in the comment box. So the correct option is Crepsella. Okay. So Crepsella is dry indehiscent single-seeded fruit develops from an unilocular single ovulate inferior ovary of bicarpellary syncarpus gynoecium possessing basal placentation. Okay. Which ex Let's see the next question. Which extra embryonic membrane in humans prevents desiccation of embryo inside the uterus? Chorion, allantois, yolk sac, amnion. So, amnion prevents desiccation of embryo inside the uterus. The fleshy receptacle of Syconus of fig encloses a number of achenes, samaras, berries, pericarps. So the correct answer is achenes. Okay. Syconus is a composite fruit develops from Hypanthodium inflorescence, Ficus carica, Ficus benghalensis. The flask-shaped receptacle encloses female flowers that give rise to achenes like fruitlets. This fruit possesses a small pore protected by scaly leaves. The receptacle that becomes fleshy is edible. Okay, so let's see the next question. The two subunits of ribosome remains united at a critical on level of copper, magnesium, manganese, calcium. So the correct option is the option number C, magnesium. Okay, so let's see some things about it. Magnesium is required to in leaves growing areas of root stem protein synthesis, hence withdrawn from aging. It constituent of chlorophyll, medulla, and connected with phosphate transfer in respiration, binding of ribosomes, and DNA and RNA synthesis. During the propagation of nerve impulse, the action potential results from the movement of potassium ions from extracellular fluid to intracellular fluid, sodium ions from intracellular fluid to extracellular fluid, potassium ions from intracellular fluid to extracellular fluid, sodium ions from extracellular fluid to intracellular fluid. So here the correct option would be option number D, because sodium ions from extracellular fluid to intracellular fluid. Bacterial leaf blight of rice is caused by a species of, this is caused by the Xanthomonas citri. Okay, this is caused by the Xanthomonas species. Okay, let's see the next question. Darwin's finches are an excellent example of adaptive radiation, seasonal migration, brood parasitism, connecting links. So, Darwinian finches are the examples of the adaptive radiation. Earthworms have no skeleton, but during burrowing, the anterior end becomes turgid and acts as a hydraulic skeleton. It is due to coelomic fluid, blood, gut peristalsis, CT. So here the correct option is option number A. It is due to coelomic fluid. Which one of the following pair of nitrogenous bases of nucleic acids is wrongly matched with the category mentioned against it? Tell me in the comment box. So thymine, uracil are the pyrimidines, correct. Uracil, cytosine, pyrimidine, correct. Guanine, adenine, purines, correct. Adenine, thiamine, purines, this is incorrect. So the correct option would be option number D. Okay. So let's see the next question. Main objective of production use of herbicides resistant GM crops is to eliminate weeds from the field without the use of manual labor, eliminate weeds from the fields without the use of herbicides, encourage eco-friendly herbicides, reduce herbicides accumulation in food particles for health safety. So the correct option would be here option number D, because the main objective is to reduce herbicide accumulation in food particles for health safety. The table before below give the populations in thousands of 10 species in 4 areas consisting of number of habitats given within brackets. Against each such study and table, answer the question which follows. Which area out of A to D shows maximum species diversity? Okay, the maximum species diversity. So we have to see the question. Here the species is showing maximum species diversity is the D species, because here you can see its species population density. Okay, so the correct option would be option number D. To which type of berries under innate immunity to do the saliva in the mouth and the tears from the eyes belong? Cytokine berries, barriers, cellular barriers, physiological barriers, physical barriers. So the correct option is the physiological barriers. So physiological barriers under innate immunity do the saliva in the mouth and the tears from the eyes. Okay, so let's see the next question. Cornea transplant in humans is almost never rejected. Thus, this is because its cells are least penetratable by bacteria. It has no blood supply. It is composed of nucleated cells. It is non-living layer. So it is because it has no blood supply. Okay, so let's see the next question. The energy releasing process in which the substrate is oxidized without an external electron acceptor is called fermentation, photorespiration, aerobic respiration, glycolysis. So the correct option is option number D, glycolysis. Select one of the following pairs of important features distinguishing Needham from Cycas and Finus, showing affinities with angiosperms. As absence of resin duct and leaf venation, presence of vessels elements, and absence of archegonia perianth and two integuments, embryo development and apical meristems. So here the correct option is option number B, because presence of vessels elements and absence of archegonia. Okay, so let's see the next question. Thorn of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita are the examples of analogous organs, homologous organs, vestigial organs, retrogressive evolution. So these are the examples of homologous organs. Okay, so let's see the next question. So the next question is, what is true about the isolated small tribal population? There is a decline in the population as boys marry girls only from their own tribe. Hereditary diseases like color blindness do not spread in the isolated population. Wrestlers who develop strong body muscles in their lifetime pass this character on to their progeny. There is no change in population size as they have a large gene pool. So here the correct option is option number B. Hereditary disease like color blindness do not spread in the isolated population. Okay. So let's see the next question. Human insulin is being commercially produced from a transgenic species of Escherichia mycobacterium rhizobium saccharomyces. So yeah, the correct option is Escherichia coli. Okay. So let's see the next question. In the light of recent classification of living organisms into three domains of life, bacteria, archaea and eukarya, which one of the following statement is true about archaea? Archaea resembles eukarya in all respects. Archaea have some novel features that are absent in other prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So the correct option is option number B, because archaea have some novel features that are absent in other prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So let's see the next question. Thermococcus, Methanococcus and Methanobacterium exemplify These are the exemplify archaebacteria that contain proteins homologous to eukaryotic core histones. Okay, so let's see the next question. A competitive inhibitor of succinic dehydrogenase is malonate oxaloacetate alpha ketoglutarate malate. So here the correct option is option number A. Competitive inhibitor is the malonate. Okay, so let's see the next question. The next question is, cry first endotoxins obtained from Bacillus thuringiensis are effective against mosquitoes, flies, nematodes, bollworms. So cry first are the effective against flies. Tell me in the comment box, is it right or not? Okay. Insect-resistant transgenic plants contain either a gene from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis or some other genes. Thus, the cry gene of Bacillus thuringiensis produces a protein which forms crystalline inclusion in the bacterial spores. These crystal proteins are responsible for the insecticidal activities of the bacterial strain. Cry first endotoxins are effective against Lepidoptera, like example of a fly. So this is effective against flies. Okay, so let's see the next question. Vacuoles in a plant cell is membrane bound and contains storage proteins and lipids, is membrane bound and contains water and excretory substances, lacks membrane and contains air, lacks membrane and contains water and some substances. So here the correct option is the option number, which tell me in the comment box. So the correct option is the option number B. Vacuole in plant cell is membrane bound and contains water and excretory substances. Which one of the following is not observed in biodiversity hotspots? Endemism, accelerated species loss, lesser interspecific competition, species richness. So in the hotspot, not seen, we did not see lesser interspecific competition. Okay, consider the statements given below regarding contraception and answer as directed thereafter. So medical termination of pregnancy during first trimester is generally safe. Yes, it's correct. Generally, consider the statement given below regarding contraception and answer as directed thereafter. Okay, so it should not be correct. Generally, chances of contraception are nil until mother breastfeeds the infant up to 2 years. No, it's up to 6 months. Intrauterine devices like copper T are effective contraceptives. This is the correct. Okay, so let's see the next question. Which two? Oh, what has he asked? Oh, so he asked. Oh, contraception pills may be taken up to 1 week after coitus to prevent conception. So, which two of above statements are correct? So here two correct, then here would be C correct, and medical termination of pregnancy during first trimester is generally safe. So this is also correct, and B and D would not correct. So option number C would be correct. Okay. Which one of the following proved effective for biological control of nematodal diseases in plants? Xylithus tinctorius, Pseudomonas sepacium, Glaucadium varanus, Phyllomyces lilacinus. So here the correct option is option number D, Phyllomyces lilacinus. Okay. Which one of the following condition in humans is correctly matched with its chromosomal abnormality linkage? Klinefelter syndrome. So 44 autosomes plus XXY. So here the correct option would be option number A, because the others are not correct. Blindness is X-linked. Okay. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following item gives its correct total number? So the floating ribs in humans, 4 amino acids found in protein, 16 types of diabetes, 3 cervical vertebrae in humans, 8. So the float here is the correct option would be, I don't think any of these is correct. Yes, floating ribs in humans is 4 because these are two pairs. Okay, option number A is the correct. In germinating seeds, fatty acids are regarded exclusively in the protoplastids, glyoxysomes, peroxisomes, mitochondria. So here the correct option is option number B, glyoxysomes. What does the filiform apparatus do at the entrance into ovule? It helps in the entry of the pollen tube into a synergid. It prevents entry of more than one pollen tube into the embryo sac. It brings about opening of the pollen tube. It guides pollen tube from a synergid to egg. So here the correct option is option number A. It helps in the entry of pollen tube into a synergid. Which one of the following is being tried in the India as a biofuel substitute for fossil fuels? Jatropha, Azodirachta, Musha, Azilopes. So here the correct option is Jatropha. Okay, which one of the following is resistant to enzyme action? Cork, wood fiber, woolen exine, leaf cuticles. So pollen exine is resistant to enzyme action because this is made up of sporopollenin. Okay, so this is resistant to any enzyme. What is antisense technology? So antisense technologies question we have done first previously. So when a piece of RNA that is complementary in sequence is used to stop expression of a specific gene, so this is antisense technology. Haploids are more suitable for mutations studies than the diploids. This is because haploids are reproductively more stable than diploids. Mutagens penetrate in haploids more effectively than its diploids. Haploids are more abundant in nature than diploids. All mutations, whether dominant or recessive are expressed in haploids. So here the correct option is option number D. All mutations, whether dominant or recessive, are expressed in haploids. So let's see the next question. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of phylum Annelida? Closed circulatory system, segmentation, pseudocoelom, ventral nerve cord. So pseudocoelom is not a characteristic of Annelida. Importance of day length in flowering of plants was first shown in lemma, tobacco, cotton, petunia. So it is first shown in tobacco. Okay. In humans, blood passes from the post caval to the diastolic right atrium of the heart due to pushing open the venous valve, suction pull, stimulation of the sino-auricular node, pressure difference between the caval and atrium. So here the correct option is pressure difference between the caval and atrium. So let's see the next question. Which one of the following is the true description about an animal concerned? Earthworm. The alimentary canal consists of a sequence of pharynx, esophagus, stomach, gizzard, and intestine. Frog, rat, cockroach, 10 pairs of spiracles, 2 pairs on thorax and 8 pairs on abdomen. So here the correct option is the option number D. Okay. So let's see the next question. The linking of antibiotic resistant gene with the plasmid vector became possible with DNA ligase, endonuclease, DNA polymerase, exonuclease. So it becomes possible with the DNA ligase. Okay, which one of the following statements is incorrect about the menstruation? During normal menstruation, about 40 ml blood is lost. The menstrual fluid can easily clot at. He has asked about incorrect statement. Okay. At menopause in female, there is especially abrupt increase in gonadotropic hormones. The beginning of the cycle of the menstruation is called menarche. So the correct option is option number B. Because the menstrual blood does not clot. Okay. So let's see the next question. Following phyla is correctly matched with its two general characteristics. Okay. Arthropoda body divided into head, thorax, and abdomen, and respiration by trachea. This is the correct. Chordata, notochordate, same stage and separate anal urinary openings to the outside. Incorrect. Canadermata incorrect ही होगा. Which one of the following pair of the items correctly belongs to the category of organs mentioned against it? Thorn of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita analogous. Nictitating membrane and blind spot in human eye. Vestigial organ. Nephridia of earthworm and Malpighian tubules of cockroach excretory organs. Wings of honeybee and wings of crow homologous organs. So here the correct option is option number C. Nephridia of earthworm and Malpighian tubules of cockroach are the excretory organs. The chemiosmotic coupling hypothesis of oxidative phosphorylation prospers that adenosine triphosphate is formed because of high energy bonds are formed in the mitochondria. Proteins ADP is pumped out of the matrix into the intermembrane space. A proton gradient forms across the inner membrane. So the correct option would be option number C, because a proton gradient forms across the inner membrane, so the ATP is formed. Okay, so let's see the next question. Consider the following statements about biomedical technologies. Okay, so the during open heart surgery, blood is circulated in the heart lung machine. Correct. Blockage in coronary arteries is removed by angiography. Incorrect. Computerized axial tomography shows detailed internal structure as seen in an section of body. Correct. X-ray provides clear detailed images of organs like prostate, glands and lungs. This is absolutely incorrect, because X-rays provide detailed images of the bones, not the organs. Okay, so here the correct option would be A and C. So this is included by option number C. Consider the following statements concerning food chains. So removal of 80% tigers from an area resulted in greatly increased growth of vegetation. Removal of most of the carnivores resulted in the increased population of deers. The length of food chains is generally limited to 3 to 4 tropic levels due to energy loss. The length of food chains may vary from 2 to 8 tropic levels. So here the correct option would be option number B and C. So the correct option is the option number A. Ascaris is characterized by the absence of true coelom but presence of metamerism, presence of neither true coelom nor metamerism. So the correct option is option number B. Consider the following 4 statements about certain desert animals such as kangaroo rat. They have dark color and high rate of reproduction and excrete solid urine. They do not drink water, breathe at a slow rate to conserve water, and have their body covered with thick hairs. They feed on dry seeds and do not require drinking water. They excrete very concentrated urine and do not use water to regulate body temperature. Two of the above statements for animals are true, so that are the they feed on dry seeds and do not require drinking water. Correct. They excrete very concentrated urine and do not use water to regulate body temperature. Absolutely correct. So the correct option is the option number A. Which one of the following is incorrect about the characteristics of the protobionts? Okay, and as eviscerated in the abiogenic origin of life. So tell me the answer in the comment box. They were able to reproduce. They could separate combination of molecules from the surroundings. They were partially isolated from the surroundings. They could maintain an internal environment. So the correct option is this. Which one of the following groups of 3 animals each is correctly matched with their one characteristic morphological features? Liver fluke, anemone, sea anemone, sea cucumber, bilateral symmetry, centipede, prawn, sea urchin, jointed appendage. scorpion, spider, cockroach, ventral solid, central nervous system. Correct. The fruit is chambered developed from inferior ovary and has seeds with succulent taste in pomegranate, orange, guava, cucumber. So it's in pomegranate. Okay, so let's see the next question. Which one of the following is the correct percentage of 2 out of the total of 4 greenhouse gases that contribute to the total global warming? So the CFC 40% and methane 20%. So the correct option is option number A. World Summit on Sustainable Development was held in Brazil, Sweden, Argentina, South Africa. So the correct option is South Africa because it is held in the South Africa. Quercus species are dominant component in temperate deciduous forest, alpine forest, scrub forest, tropical rainforest. So the correct option is temperate deciduous forest. Quercus species are dominant component in the top temperate deciduous forest. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and we will meet in the next and amazing video. Okay, thank you, bye bye.